Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Aprilia SXR 125. So in this video we will talk about what all features we get in this scooter. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we get fully LED headlamps in this scooter and the brightness is quite great. Talking about the front wheel, here we get the front disc. This scooter doesn't come with any kind of ABS. Front tire profile is of 120 by 70 section, 12 inches of tire. This is the left side profile view of Aprilia SXR 125 and the scooter looks very massive. This is the maxi scooter which is very less in India. On the left side you will see graphics in the tricolor in the red, green and white color. Here on the bottom you will get the Aprilia branding, which looks quite sporty. So in this scooter you will get the kick as well as the self start options. So now talking about the engine specifications, this scooter will come in 124.45cc of engine which will generate 9.52 PS of power with 9.2 Newton meters of torque. This is the suspension you will get on the rear side. This is the rear view profile of the Aprilia SXR 125, and in the rear you will get the LED tail lamp also, which looks really attractive. This is the right side profile of this maxi scooter. The design of the silencer is quite big. The design and the dimensions of SXR 160 and in 125 are quite same, but the difference is in the engine. So on the right side you will get to see the SXR 125 sticker. Now talking about the instrument console, so in this scooter you will get the fully digital instrument console and you will get so many information, and this instrument console is quite useful. So here you will get the speedometer, the tachometer, the clock, the temperature, also the fuel efficiency indicator. So this is the handlebar of the SXR 125 and this is the cockpit view, which looks quite great. Talking about the buttons, so here you will get the low beam, high beam and the passing button integrated and the indicator and the horn button. On the right side you will get the mode and the self start button. You don't get any kind of kill switch in this scooter. Now talking about the seat, so seat is quite comfortable in this scooter and this will be very great for the long touring. So now talking about the rider's seat, so rider's seat is quite spacious and very comfortable. The cushioning is quite average and pillion seat is also quite bigger and very comfortable for the long touring. Also you will get the bigger and the stronger grab handle. Along with that you will get here a hook to hold something. So now talking about the under the seat storage, so the space is quite great. You can keep the paperwork and the helmets. Also you will get light here, but the disadvantage is the petrol knob is inside the seat. So guys, this is the Aprilia SXR 125. So on the road price of this scooter is around 1.35 lakhs, which may get vary according to state. So the maxi scooter option in India are very few. You will get only 2 or 3 scooters, the SXR 160, SXR 125 and the Suzuki Burgman 125. Along with that you will get the 7 liters of fuel tank in this maxi scooter. So the range will be quite great. Around 45 to 50 will be the mileage of this scooter. So around you will get the 325 to 350 kilometers of range. So guys, this is it for now in this video. So if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So guys, we'll meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.